guys, hello. Well, you guys have been asking for it, and we have decided today to give you exactly what you have asked for. We're going to be doing a demonstration as to how to apply our mild peels. So today we're going to show you how to apply our 2% salicylic acid as well as our 3% glycolic acid. I must admit that the application as to how to apply these acids are pretty much the same. So today we're going to be doing our demonstration on our model Erica. Erica has acne, really bad acne prone skin. So what we're going to do is to apply the 2% salicylic acid on her skin, and this particular treatment will help in terms of treating our current breakout, in terms of the actual pimples that are there, as well as to help in terms of exfoliating the skin and actually reducing the appearance of all of those dark spots. So let's get started. So for the 2% salicylic acid, this is our new packaging. We have our step 1, which is a 2% salicylic acid in itself, and we also have our step 2, which is our neutralizer and treatment. So first we're going to apply our 2% salicylic acid. Before we actually do any form of application of the product though, let's do a few checks, so to speak, or pre-prep. So we're going to ensure that we put some petroleum jelly at the corner of the lip as well as under the eye. What that does is to help to protect those areas, because those areas tend to be the most sensitive, and we don't necessarily want the peel to actually go onto those sensitive areas. So we apply the peel. We're now going to gently apply onto the skin. If you zoom a little bit closer onto the skin, you realize that Erica has a lot of small pimples all over the cheek area. So we're going to concentrate a lot on the cheek, the lower cheek, the chin, above the lip area, on our nose. And remember, we're not going above the cheekbone, we're not going into that area. So we apply that. Turn Erica's face later, turn around. Then we're going to do this area as well. Now, when you're applying the peel, what will happen is that for some persons, you'll immediately start getting a tingling feeling. Some persons 2, 3, 4 treatments before they start getting that tingle feeling. That's normal. It's a chemical peel, so that is very much normal. So for the areas in which we are actually you have the most pimples is for Erica is actually her cheek and chin area, so we're concentrating a little bit more. So we'll leave the peel on the skin for 2 to 5 minutes, let it sit, let it penetrate the skin, and then after that we will resume and actually apply our neutralizer. Now that we have gone 5 minutes, we're now going to neutralize the skin. So we're going to use step 2 in the process. So we open, we apply step 2 on the cotton ball or pad. And what this step does is really and truly to neutralize the acid from the skin, and while also treating the skin. So we're now going to be applying and treating, and this particular step will also soothe the skin as well because it has aloe in it. And then what we're going to do to finish off is to apply our Irie Rock tea tree, which is facial moisturizer. About that, let me just apply it. And just be generous at this point in time, because remember, you're hydrating the skin, but at the same time too, you're also calming it down. And that's it. So it's as simple as that. You cleanse, you apply your mild peel, you also apply, then you apply, you wait for 2 to 5 minutes, then you apply your neutralizer and treatment, and you finish off with your moisturizer. And that is it for the night. Remember, you apply your peels only at night. Remember, I'm going to repeat that. You apply your peels only at night. So your night regimen would be your cleanser, your peel, follow up with your moisturizer. During the morning, you will replace the peel with your toner and follow it with your moisturizer. During the period of time in which you're peeling, you should not be physically exfoliating at all. So no scrubbing. You can resume scrubbing once you have finished peeling. Normally, the skin would take about 1 to 2 weeks to start peeling. Erica will actually repeat this particular process for about a week each night, or until she starts peeling. Once she starts peeling, she would pause usage, allow the skin to peel so as to allow the new skin to shine through, and then once peeling have stopped, she'll wait for another week, and then she'll resume the whole process back again in terms of peeling until she have acquired the desired result that she wants for her skin. Alright, so that's it from us at Irie Rock. This is how the video is on how to actually apply your 2% salicylic acid peel. Stay tuned, we'll be coming out with the 3% as well as introducing our new line of product, which is the Glycolic Plus line of products to all of you guys. Keep rocking!